Amigurumi Crochet. Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about crochet patterns for planters, or to put plants in, basically. Best put them in some sort of, oh, look at this cute elephant planter. There you put it. Best put some little saucer underneath your plant pot if they have a hole in the bottom, because otherwise watering your plants will be an interesting affair. Let's put it that way. Look at these cute little succulents in the planters. Adorable. You can always take them out to water them. Now this is all crochet. I wanted to include it because I really like the idea of having this little kawaii face planter, or without a face, in different color schemes. Very cute and very adorable. As per usual, you can find the links to all these wonderful patterns in the description below the video or next to the video, including these wonderful little whale planters. It's just adorable, very sweet. And this is a hanger. You can put plants in it, but you can also put other stuff in it. I really like the idea of putting plants in it, and the combination of plants and yarn is just beautiful. Very nice. And these are air plant hangers, making them into little jellyfish. They're quite large and chunky, very cute, and very decorative as well if you hang them somewhere in your home. Another sort of macrame type situation here, with a little plant in it. Nice little piece of branch there. Gives a nice wholesome nature feel to your home. This one's adorable. Little deer, reindeer, little with beautiful little flowers there. Adorable little pineapple. Works fantastic with this sort of plants. Here it is without any plants, and here it is in action on the windowsill. Adorable. As is the sheep. Very cute. Look at the broad smile. Very nice little planter there. Adorable. Perfect for succulent. And here's another hanger. Macrame styled crochet. Great for hanger plants like these. And another hanger for hang plants is this cute little monkey hanging on its little branch. And another wool hanger here. Gorgeous. Also, you can put some other stuff in there, but the combination with the plant is absolutely fantastic. Here's this one's very nice too. You can give them a sort of holiday theme if you want to, but they have this knitted look. I really like that, and if you use bright colors, it's absolutely fantastic. A large little bunny here. Here's a sort of I like the pattern on this one. Very nice. Little plants. Look at the little cable work in there. Another hanger for little plants. Different sizes. Perfect, perfect. Very decorative and very sort of modern, Scandi look feel to the decor. These are very nice too. I think this is a air plant in there. Like, I've seen these in ceramic, these little dudes, sitting dudes, and then you can put a little plant in it. Well, you can do that in crochet as well right now. Very nice. Or maybe just some dried flowers or something, or it's very, very decorative. As are these, and these have the little lids inside of the pattern. Very nice. Lids. Is it lids? It's like a saucer, like a little saucer underneath, so you can easily water your plants. I love the tassel. I love the open sort of macrame work there, and here it is hanging on a hook. Now this is fantastically over the top. Great stash buster, and it looks fantastic. Little baskets almost. Also great for yarn or other project things. Look at all the intricate little star flower patterns and colors and everything you can throw at it. Really, really, really great. And these are some sad frogs and a happy frog. A sad frog. Very cute. They're very adorable. And the more hangers here, great for other stuff in your kitchen or in your workspace or in the nursery, like for this little cute crocheted bunny. And also very suitable for plants. Another hanging dude, this little sloth is fantastic planter for beautiful hanging plants. And the combination of these colors is just beautiful. Little llama here, very cute, with a little succulent. Succulents are perfect because they're small and they don't require a lot of water, so you don't mess up your little crocheted pattern there. Very simple idea, but I love the rim there. It's very cute in different colors. Obviously, great stash buster and a fantastic little housewarming present. And you can make them in Christmas colors here with a little pine, little mini pine tree there. So get those pine cones and start growing your own little pine trees. Very cute, or the fake ones from Dollar Tree or wherever you can buy them. Very decorative, very cute in Christmas colors. Or in koala style. Look at this gorgeous succulent. Very sweet, hanging there. Yes. And this little panda bear is growing his own little bamboo, but you can take out this part and just put in a real plant, obviously. Very adorable. Oh, look at that. It actually comes comes out by itself. You can make this part a little deeper and have a proper planter, but it is quite adorable. Now this I wanted to include because it's quite unique. A uterus hanging plants. Look at it. I love the little I just like this one. It's very very nice and very decorative. It is not for everyone, but it is quite unique. Well, those are some ideas for wonderful planters. As per usual, you can find a link to all these wonderful planter crochet patterns in the video description. And I hope you found one that you can go on and crochet. And of course, I wish you happy crocheting.